All right, so they're all in a small bowl like this. So we're gonna add just a tiny bit more oil here, just a little bit. I already got my pan with the butter, like butter all over. You can use that sheet if you have or if you like, but I like butter. It's same thing. All right, so you take that one and you try to spread it. If you have a hard time like spreading it like this, you can use flour. But we gotta make in one bigger one. So we can you can even use a little bit of your hands like this, just so you can stretch it. You can see, I'm making sure that you can see. And then use this again to help yourself. And we're not gonna add anything inside. You can still use it with the foods or just like that. I'll show you the end process. All right, so we stretch it enough. See? So make it like a, as you stretching it, because it has an oil, it'll just keep like coming in. But you just try to, as much as you can, to stretch it nice. I think this is good enough. Okay, it's even, square here and long. So now roll it in like this. Roll it in, roll it in. Make sure this is even and roll it in. Oh, there you go. See? Okay, now we're gonna place it in the pan, and you can bend them or keep them straight, right? I'll bend them a little bit just for fun. Then we're gonna do this one again, same way for the rest of them. So I'll do one more and then I'll exit out of this video until I finish the rest, so you're not on it too long and then you're like, oh my, your videos are too long. But I'm trying to show as much as I can for you. But please, if you think that I'm too fast, or if you can see or hear, just let me know, comment below, and I'll try to fix my mistake. All right. So it's stretching, it's really nice. I can't wait to eat them. When I make food like this, I'm always get so hungry. And then you have to go on the treadmill for like 5 hours to kill all these calories and stuff, but that's okay, right? All right, so I think this one is good enough too. La la, voila. You stretch it more. You can use your hands, of course. Make even, and then, there you go. Okay, now we'll roll it in. Because it still has oil. Make sure that your table is oily, because it has to be oil. See? Let me show you this one. See? It's gonna be so good. All right. So I'll be back after I finish the rest of them.